Hello Trending Treasures family, welcome back to our channel. Today we are coming with new and unique kitchen products. Please subscribe for better products. Are you suffering to do dishwashing? First off, all we have to know about the disadvantages of manual dishwashing. Those are: hand washing dishes can be time-consuming, especially for a large number of items. Water and energy consumption. Both methods use a significant amount of water and energy, impacting bills and the environment. Detergent residue. Incorrect rinsing or detergent usage can leave harmful residue on dishes. Risk of breakage. Hand washing increases the risk of accidentally breaking delicate items. Hygiene concerns. Inadequate washing can lead to bacterial growth and foodborne illnesses. Space requirements. Drying racks and space for air drying take up valuable kitchen space. For all these, only one solution: we have to buy automatic dishwasher machine. So today we are presenting top 5 automatic dishwasher machines under 15,000 to 50,000. Let's go and check the features of dishwashers. products link given below description, please check, select and buy. Please subscribe my channel for better review. Thanks for watching.